All right, here's the materials you need. First, get yourself a 2 to 3 foot 1/2 inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. Next thing you're gonna need is a 1/2 inch coupling. It's nested. You're also gonna need a 1 inch coupling. And lastly, for the PVC, you're gonna need a 1 inch by 3/4 inch reduced bushing, slip by slip. And you're gonna use the reduced bushing to go inside of the 1 inch coupling, and the 1/2 inch nested coupling goes inside of the 3/4 inch side of the reduced bushing. You can compress that all together. You can glue it if you want to. It's not necessary. And then you would take your 1/2 inch PVC pipe and you would join that together. Also, just push that down. Push that together as much as possible. Okay, and there you go. The assembly of the basic PVC pipe gun. This is where you would blow. This is where the dart comes out. Fairly simple. Next up is the assembly of the actual blow darts. It's comprised of a few materials. You got a nail here, a piece of paper, glue in there. So first we're going to start off with making these cone shaped pieces that basically go inside of the tube, and you blow in and it'll fire out. First need a piece of paper. You need a party hat. Then you need a pair of scissors, a ruler, a pen, some regular Scotch tape, and glue gun. So first thing you got to do, every 2 inches you're gonna mark off. You're basically making 2 by 2 squares. And now you're left with these 2 by 2 inch squares. This is where your party hat comes in. First, you want to get yourself a piece of tape. You're gonna wrap it around, keeping that as tight as possible. Then you're going to place the tape Take another piece of tape and just put it on the opposite side, nice and snug. Okay, remove this, and now you have partial of the cone. You have to be able to fit it in here, but it doesn't fit. So how you do this is you push down and you create an edge on the inside, so that when you remove it, you have an outline of the inside edge. You can kind of see a line. So now what you do is you pinch this together. And you see that line? It's a faint line. All you would now do is cut right around that line. Test it out. Fits right inside, and you're left with this. Alrighty, next up, our nail. It's just a small nail that that you would use for baseboards. It's very skinny. It's about 1.5 inches long, and I don't know, these work fairly good. So basically what you would do is you just put this in the middle here, pull it through, and now you basically have your dart. But if you use it like this, it'll blow right through or it'll fall out. So what you have to do is you're gonna glue that, move it around a little, let it sit, and then you'll have a working dart for your blow. I wanted to show a faster way to make more of these darts. After you made a bunch of taped ones like this, you just throw them on the side and then you have a bunch. So the fastest way that I found to do it is you fold it like you're folding a square. You grab one that you have already created, you put it inside of it, squeeze it together, you follow the contour of the original line, and now boom, and you took the one that you've already made, put it on the side, fold up the next one, do it again. But there you go. Now I have 4 ready to go. So now I would shove this nail in there. Go ahead and just put a little glue in there. Then what I'm gonna do is just pull it through. As you can see, it's sat at the bottom. And because I put the tape way up at the top here, the nail head won't pull it through. And as if it's fully covered, it's good to go. I put it into my homemade holder to sit it and let it dry while I make more. Put it in the center, push it through, get a little hot glue, pull it through, boom, good to go. Put it on the side, grab another one. So here I decided to fast forward it to show you the process. It's actually a lot faster than it looks, but I'd rather not have to sit through this whole thing. So here you go. I have it set up here, and all I did was set up a little boogie board over here. It will go through wood. We're maybe about 15 feet away, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, that was like right next to the other one. Oh, dude, no way. I literally got it inside of the other one. Look at that aim. That was sick. Some way in there. The whole dart was in there. Pretty deep for 15 feet away. So, pretty much overall, I mean, that was pretty accurate. I was only aiming in the general area with that last shot, but that was pretty cool. Again, I'm like maybe 15 feet away, and it packs some power, so it's good to just play around with and stuff and have fun. Colton seems to like it. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, super cheap, super simple, easy to build. Yeah, something to just have fun. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and remember, be safe.